For those of you running payroll, so we've had quite a few, I don't know, just things that have come up over running our payrolls, especially since COVID times. And so I guess we just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a tip. If you're running a payroll as a farmer, if you're doing it as a tradie, if you're the wife of a husband running a business, if you're the office manager, whatever you're doing, there's way more to payroll than just running the same payroll every week or every fortnight or every month. It's really easy when you have staff who maybe are working Monday to Friday and they do 8 till 5 and that's kind of all they do, and you don't have much else come up. It can be quite simple, but even now, especially with COVID, there's things like Covert Leave that come up. So you might take a payment from the government for someone being on COVID and you've got to pay that to the staff. How you put that into your payroll, pay it to your staff, different codes to use. So we wanted to show you guys this. So this is kind of our payroll guide. And often when we're running payrolls, we refer to this. So it is a big book from the Payroll Association. I believe you can even buy one yourself online. But we don't just refer to this, we refer to legislation. There's a Payroll Group and we go on there and we post questions if we have them. There's just way more to payroll, and we actually, if everyone was audited in New Zealand, I think it would be really interesting to see who's running their payrolls correctly, because there's so much that goes into it. Sometimes it can be really simple and it can be like a 5 or 15-minute job, and then maybe someone's been away and they don't normally work in a set number of hours, and it just gets way more complicated. And you have to take into account quite a lot of things that haven't made legislation in New Zealand very easy to be able to run payrolls. And so we just wanted to say to you guys, that's why sometimes people outsource it. If you're someone who thinks, cool, I run the payroll, I pay them, and you don't think about anything else, there's the potential that you're doing some things wrong and you might not be paying annual leave out correctly or sick leave, and accounting for things correctly. So even if you're unsure, maybe give us a ring and you can come in for like a payroll training. Otherwise, this is why we run a lot of payrolls for people, because not many people want to actually have to look through this book when an issue comes up. So that is Chantelle from Vantage.